Yes, sir.
Acha. So that way, we were also associated in the different social works, and from that very social work, we got the inspiration. And after that, when we got matured, we came into professional life. We just hope because only family, only profession. It is not the actual the cause we are here. Actually, when we have got this birth as a human being, when the human word comes, so humanity should be there, and we should justify that we are human beings. So we should do something for other peoples, and that way we form this organization. And for last 30 years journey, we are with this organization, and we are serving the people who are in distress, who are in need, as well as the different cause, environmental conservation, and like these.
Okay. Very true, sir. So, like you said, humanity is your very first priority. So, where does this passion came from? What motivated you to go in this field?
Yeah. Simply, when you are a student, you got food, okay, you got clothing, you are studying in school or colleges. But you, if you go to villages and if you see a pupil or a child like you, of the same age group, he's not going to school because his preference is not go to school, but to support his mother's or her father's, his father's in agricultural field. In that way, you got some pity or some inspiration. No, this is not the right time for that child. He is also like me. He should also go to school. And that time you got the inspiration. It is our duty, being the Indian youth, it is our duty to to motivate every youth in this society that your primary work is to get education. And that way, when we are going to different distress areas, rural areas, and such youths we are getting, we got the inspiration. We should do something that everyone should get the primary things like education, cloth, fooding, and that way we got inspired.
Absolutely, sir. You inspire us. So, now that we know about your work and what you do, so what is the most important thing you love about your work?
Yeah, actually, this organization we are associated with, we are working with three mandates, very defined, well-defined mandates. Firstly, environmental conservation. As the name, it is Society for Environment and Social Awareness. From the name, the very name, it is clear. Our utmost mandate is conservation of environment. And nowadays, you know, this environment is how much important. The very survival of this whole globe depend upon a very healthy environment. And secondly, that is primary healthcare in rural areas, because in urban areas, more or less healthcare facilities are there, we people are getting it. But in rural areas, though some facilities are there, but accessibility accessibility of the people, because they are less literate, things are there, hospitals are there, phcs are there, sub health centers are there, but still, you know, these people rely on this folk doctors, and different ill mindset is there. So we are working for primary healthcare service. And thirdly, women empowerment through employment generation. These are the three mandates we are working with.
So nice, sir. So my next question is, sir, since you since we all know that you are a banker and a social worker, so so you might have felt stressed at some point of time. So how do you deal with that stress?
Yeah, you know, I'm a person. Firstly, I'm a human being, so I have family, and social obligations also. So you have to go in tandem. You have to do for your family and you have to do for your society also. For a family, you need a professional support, and for that, I'm a banker or I have joined a bank, but I have to make, you are asking that how you do both the things. I have to make some compromise. I am for last 30 years, I am working in that same post as an office assistant. And my friends were 30 years ago in the same post. They are now in good post, but I have to make compromise. And that very way, I am getting much time for the society. Before 10, I am completely associated with my organization. After 5:36, I am completely associated with social works. In holidays also, I got the time. But 10 to 5, I am a complete banker, a very professional banker. And I have shouldering a responsibility. I am president of Jharkhand Raj Gramin Bank Employees Association. I have to take the issues of other employees also. So you know, if there is a will, there is a way. And one more thing, if a pupil is doing 99 works, he is only capable to do the hundreds works. If a person is not doing a single work, he cannot effort to do a single work. So main thing is your will should be there, and then you can do.
Very well, sir. So nowadays, people tend to have myths and policies about healthy food. That healthy food is expensive, and healthy food means starving yourself and having boiled food all day long. So, what according to you is healthy food, sir? How would you describe healthy food?
A healthy food, we can think. Yeah. A healthy food. Being a student of botany and zoology also, a healthy food is that should have a balanced nutritional value. You are taking only protein, you are taking only vitamins, not that. You should take every nutritional components in a balanced way, and that is a healthy food. It might be vegetarian, you might be non-vegetarian, no matter, but that should be in a balanced form. All these nutritional components like protein, vitamins, and your rapid, all these things should be there.
Okay, sir. So, since we have passed complete 6 months during lockdown at our home, so what are you learning from this COVID pandemic?
COVID pandemic is the best
Yes,
teacher,
sir.
you can say. We have one
Totally,
teacher
sir.
with us since March. It has taught us a lot how to deal a social life, a student, how you can study, a sanitation worker, a doctor, everybody. This COVID has taught us. It has have some positive effect also. You are knowing, you might be knowing that environmental considerations, environment is getting better
Yes,
due to
sir.
this
Yes,
lockdown.
sir.
These vehicles are not running, industries
Yes,
are
sir.
not working. So this pandemic, okay, in other way, it has cost a lot. We have to pay a lot, but
Yes, sir.
everything we say no, everything has a good side and a bad side. So this pandemic, though it has a lot of bad side, but it has some good way. You see, there's a small kid of class 1, he is or she is studying online. Is it not a great
Yes.
achievement? We people in this big rush, just in the morning, you got prepared for going to your job. After that, You come to evening, you just sit in front of TV. Your wife is doing other thing. Your children are other. But in this lockdown period, the family was intact. The family was intact. Your social belongingness enriched. So this lockdown has good effects also.
Certainly, sir. So, like you said earlier, that you are a banker and an NGO worker. So, what are your major disappointments, failure in this field work?
In field work,
Yes,
in NGO sector,
yes, sir.
NGO
Both, sir.
sector, NGOs,
So, in
both.
both.
No, no, no.
Yes, sir.
I am very optimistic person. In society or everywhere, there is uh, good things and bad things, but you have to point with good things. You have to explore good of bad, and that way you can achieve success. So in field work, being a banker or being an volunteer organization worker, I have never seen anything wrong or anything bad. Okay, some downs are there, but no problem. You have to work for that. If everything, if every food is good, then what is the need of your hay fooding? No.
Yes, sir.
So hay foodie is here just to provide a very excellent food. Yeah. So
Yes.
that volunteer organization is also there. If everything is good, then what is the need of this volunteer organization? We are here to serve the people like your Hayfody that is doing a very excellent work.
Thank you, sir. Sir, sir, since we are a company company related to food, rather healthy food, so I want to ask you a special question, sir. That are you a foodie, sir?
That is Hayfody, no?
Yes,
No, yet
sir.
not, yet not, yet not, yet not.
Sir, are
Yet
you
not.
a foodie, sir? Foodie. Like,
Pardon?
are you a foodie, sir? Are you interested in food?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why not? Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what is your go-to meal when you're stressed out?
Pardon?
What is your go-to meal when you're stressed out? When you're stressed out, what do you want to have more?
Oh,
What
ho,
are
ho,
your
ho.
cravings?
Yeah, 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 yeah. That best is uh, go for some Robindo Songit. You know, some
Okay.
film songs. You know, some old film
Robindo
songs.
song.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That.
I do hear some retro songs, sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Like that. Hearing songs. That is the
Okay.
way you can make you easy.
Okay, sir. So, but I asked which meal do you prefer when you're stressed out? Which
Oh,
food do
yeah,
you
yeah, yeah,
prefer
yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
eat?
That is jhal muri. You know, that is jhal muri. Muri.
Okay, sir.
Jhal
Jhalmuri.
muri. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Puffed
That I
rice,
prefer.
sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very savory, sir. Very crispy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, my next question is, so since we all have our childhood memories of the food, which gave us never-ending joy. Like I used to love having ice creams, but now I don't, unfortunately. So, what was yours? Which food gave you the happy moment
In
in your
childhood
childhood
time,
days?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, ice cream we are preferred. We prefer that. One more thing, you coconut cuts chips, coconut. And one
Okay,
things you might not be knowing because nowadays it is obsolete. One that is made of zagari, that is gatta. You know, you might not be knowing gatta
gatta.
in our days. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is made up of jaggery.
Okay, sir.
So this type of just we people in our childhood, these things were easily available and we are fond of.
Okay, sir. Sir, any message you want to give to the people watching you or going to watch you?
For this volunteer organization?
Yes, sir.
Actually, the service we render to the people is the cost we pay for our existence on this holy earth, nothing else. We are here on this earth, we are getting everything, not lot, everything from our earth, from our society. So everyone should give some return to the society, and that is our meaning on this being a human being on this earth.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude and warm regards to you for gracing us with your presence and in our chat show today. We at Hey Foodie have our own little way to thank and show love to our guests. On our screen, we will be presenting you a certificate of participation. It will be mailed to you shortly. Sir, please accept it on the behalf of our entire Hey Foodie team. If you would like to show this interview to your loved ones, please share through your YouTube page. And to know more about Hey Foodie, please do visit our social media pages. Thank you, sir.
So the certificate will be mailed to you shortly. Thank you. Dhanyavad, sir. Okay, Anand, you can switch off the video. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.